Day 3 of training cross until I'm sub 3. So, scramble is over here, and you can follow along and do your own cross. And stop copying me. Just kidding. So, off the top, we've got 3 bad edges. And if we know anything about bad edges, we want to start with them. So we're going to ignore this one for now. So if green is on the left of orange, then I can insert these two relative to each other with an R prime. F, R prime. And then what about these two? What if I L2? This would be here, which is bad. Bro, this is a bit tricky. And I have to do this in 8 moves. Probably one of the hardest cross solutions. Okay, here's what I've come up with. So I can go F prime. I know that's a terrible way to start a cross. And then go L2, D prime, L, U, R prime, F, R prime. That was a terrible way to start the cross, but I couldn't come up with anything else. So let's just double check how many moves that was. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's literally 8 moves, bro. I'll take it.